Hey cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. So this is the final touch-ups for my planner that I plan on taking with me. So had to have the talk with myself. Rachel, what is it that you need in that planner? What are you really gonna use? What do you really need to take with you? All right, so after having that long conversation with myself, I came to the conclusion that the only thing I need for right now in here is my at a glance, a couple of dashboards, and my 12-month calendar. That's it. Because as days, weeks, months go on, I'm gonna be adding to this. So I don't need to stuff it with a lot of stuff right now because I don't even know how the year is gonna go. So as the year progresses, as the months go by, then that's when I can start saying, okay, yeah, let me start building intentions, or let me start adding this to it, and then go from there versus stuffing it full of things right now. And then I'm gonna feel this sense of urgency or this sense of need to have to fill out things in it. So there's no need for that. As things happen, as things start to evolve, as things start to change, then that's when I can add to this planner. But right now, I definitely just need the 12-month calendar in here. And that's it. Like I said, before I leave, I may add one or two things in here, but it's not going to be anything to where this thing is going to be, stuffed. Because I have to remember that the more stuff I put in here, the likely of this getting to the point where I can't close it, is pretty high. So I just need to basically just start slow. No pressure. Just start slow. And I'm telling myself that. No pressure, because like I said, the pressure will be if I stuff it full of things to do right now. The pressure for me will be, you gotta fill this out. You have to do this. You gotta. And, I don't want to live like that anymore. So slow. I have this little pocket planner that is so cute. And so I never had a planner this small before, ever. So I'm excited about using this, and this can go right in my purse, which is perfect. So that's all I have, cozy friends. Thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate you, and we will see you soon. Thanks for watching.